is simply a form of energy. Every single second of your life, you produce energy thoughts. But what kind of energy do you produce? Are they positive or negative? Do they uplift you or tear you down? The answer to these questions and your quality of life change everything. In short, your thoughts create feelings that make you either take action or not. Think about your thoughts as completely transparent. And that's Alan Lang that asked this question. If you have positive thoughts, it shows you on your face, posture, and body overall. We all know that. It's just how it is. It just shows in our face, right? From your thoughts derive everything else. Do you want to show or dress yourself in positive or negative thoughts? Think about thoughts as if they are your clothes. It shows everywhere in your face and the way you talk to other people.